Well, here I am again. My job, the taster. Peggy made these snowballs.
No bake.
No baking at all.
Nope. They're nice and chilled now, right?
They're nice and chilled, yes. They have to be chilled.
Yeah. And we used the canned cream cheese that we did. It was already room temperature, made the job so much easier.
I just hate to see the snowman out there. Anyway,
enjoy those snowballs. But this is a nice, quick, no bake. Oh my gosh, I need one more cookie for the tray. Substitute jump in Christmas treat, right? It's awesome.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. They are nice.
I'm glad you like them.
Do I get to eat the too?
Do you really want to?
Well, not before dinner. Anyway, if you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps our channel. And don't forget that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. We wish you all a Merry Christmas.
Merry
See you next
Christmas,
video.
everybody. Always going in for it.